Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. Let's have a look at assigning small background image. Background image URL pg small jpeg and save it. You see the image is small but it's repeated that image to cover all page. Let's say background repeat and save it. You see, we just only see one single image. Or we can change the position of the image. Let's say background position right top and save it. You can change like this. And I want to add some text on our page. Create a div and the lorem 1000 and save it. You see? We see all text on our page, but our background is just cover top of our page. It doesn't go below. I want to show how to fix our background at the background attachment. Fix it and save it. Let's scroll down. You see, we just fix the background at the. You can use that method in your project for different purposes. Let me delete that div and save it. Let me create a p paragraph tag and say this is a CSS tutorial and save it. And let me assign style for p, background color at one and save it, you see. And let's add another one which is about opacity. Opacity 0.6 and save it. We can see the background, and if I make the opacity 1, we can't see anything. You see? Or when you make the 0.1, you see the opacity level. And also you can add opacity as a percentage. Let me show it to you. Opacity, let's say 50% and save it. You see? You can see the opacity like this. That's all for now. By the way, please let me know what you think about tutorial guys. I value your feedbacks. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.